Hello, today we're going to cook a chocolate cake. We will need soft butter to 100 grams of soft butter. We need 200 grams of sugar, 150 grams of flour, of chocolate powder, and 4 eggs, 3 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we need to mix butter and sugar. Now we need to put 4 eggs in the mixture, one by one. Now we need to put the ingredients in a big bowl. Now we put baking powder and chocolate powder in a flour and mix it all together. Now we need to put half of our mixture, then we put milk, then another half. Now we mix. Now we're gonna put milk, and we'll start to mix again. If your hand's tired, you can ask a grown up to help you. Put all of this flour. If your child can't put the mixture in, a grown up can help them again. Now it's ready to be put in the oven. And if your daughter wants chocolate cream on top, you can do chocolate cream on top of the cake. Now we're gonna put the mixture in the baking machine equally. Now we need to put our tins in the oven. We put for 25 minutes in oven. For cream, we need the cheese. If you don't have Philadelphia cheese, you can go and buy. We need sugar and chocolate powder. The cake is ready. Enjoy your meal.